Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went to Target. It's been a while since I've been to Target, but I wanted to show you guys some deals. The one deal that I really wanted to go to Target for was to get Tom's toothpaste. I thought they had it for $3.79, but my stores had it for $4.99. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to nix that deal. But if you guys do have a store that has it for $3.79, you get 3 of them. You guys would pay $11.37. But then you guys would get $1.55 back with Ibotta times 3 and a $5 gift card, making 3 of those tubes of toothpaste $1.72, which is a pretty good deal, but my store didn't have it for the price I wanted it. So I ended up getting the Schick Quattro razors. Now these were $5.99. I used a $3 off coupon that you guys can get from coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. So I thought, you know what, for 99 cents, that's a pretty good deal for razors. I haven't gotten razors very much. I ended up getting the Red Vine Licorice. I'm really craving this licorice right now. My store had it for $1.29. It is 99 cents or $1 at most stores, but my store had it for $1.29. You guys would pay $1.29, but then you guys would get 50 cents back with checkout 51, and then you guys end up getting this for 79 cents. So I'm like, you know what, for 79 cents, that's an okay deal. Or you guys would get it for 49 cents or 50 cents. Still a good deal. The next deal I got is the Sour Punch.
I don't like that.
Why don't you like that?
That's for Daddy.
It's for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next deal I got is the Sour Punch. Now these were $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you guys can get 50 cents back with checkout 50. Checkout 51, making them 50 cents. Now these are great for Benjamin. These are great for stocking stuffers if you guys are interested in that. But yeah. So that was my Target. I went there to get those things, and then I also got a baby bag for registering. So I'm going to show you guys
I have a baby in your tummy.
Yeah.
You have a sister in your belly right now.
Yep, you were in my tummy, and you have a baby sister in Mommy's belly.
Just show them. And then it's in the inside.
Yep, he's showing you guys my tummy. But I did do a Target registry, so I will be showing you guys that video in the next couple days so you guys can see all the goodies. I have not opened it yet, and it's driving me nuts, and I won't open it until I show you guys. So just giving you guys a heads up on that for free baby stuff. But otherwise, that was it. I'm sorry. My total came to $5.27 for everything. I ended up getting $2 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting $1 back with checkout 51. So $2.27 for 3 items. I feel like the math is wrong on that, but it is not. I don't know. But that is my haul, so I just wanted to share with you guys on that. And thanks for watching, and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.